Hello, I am Pavlina one of the further maths tutors on ClassRx. Classes anytime, anywhere. An online, one-to-one, STEM-focused professional private tutoring company. I study physics at University College London and have been tutoring since 2015. I especially enjoy helping students around GCSE or A-level, as it has not been that long since I was in their shoes, and so I can easily relate. I teach further maths up to A-level or AB. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you today how easy and simple it is to solve problems on graph and rational functions, which is one of the important topics for A-level exams.
In a typical question on rational functions, you'll get the equation and be asked to sketch the curve. We'll do that today in 4 steps. The first step is the vertical asymptote, using the domain. The domain tells us what values of x can or cannot the function have. In a fraction, the denominator cannot be equal to 0. So in our case, 1 plus x can never be equal to 0. Therefore, our vertical asymptote is x cannot be equal to minus 1. I'll sketch that in yellow color dashed line. Next, we are interested in seeing what direction the curve has around this asymptote. There are the 2 options which I've sketched on the left over here. The curve can either be in quadrant 1 and 3 and be increasing from the right, or it can be quadrant 2 and 4 increasing from the left. This can be found out from expecting the values of y as the value of x gets closer and closer to the asymptote. So we can take a look at what y is when x is equal to -2 or -1.5 from the left, and we'll get y equal to -13 and -22. This means that it is decreasing from the left. From the right, we can take a look at x equal to 0 to get y equal to 5, or x equal to -0.5 to get y equal to 14. This means it's increasing from the right. On the graph, it will look like this. The third step is the horizontal asymptote, using the limits. We want to know to which number does y tend to as x goes to infinity. The equation tells us that y is equal to 5 minus 4x over 1 plus x. But as x gets very, very large, this 5 and 1 aren't very relevant. So as x goes to infinity, there is a -4 times a very big number over 1 times a big number. So y goes to -4. I'll sketch this in green color, which will look like this on the graph. The last step are the intercepts. When x is equal to 0, we already said that y is equal to 5. We can sketch that on the graph and get this point. When y is equal to 0, that means that the numerator has to be equal to 0. That means that x is equal to 5 over 4, which is just 1.25. We can also sketch this on the graph. It will be around here. Now we can try to connect that to a whole line using all that we know together, and we've got our graph.
Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or would like to contact us, please visit www.classrx.com or please drop us a line at hello@classrx.com, mentioning my name, Pavlina in the subject line.